Amazing God, amazing God, you always come true for me. Amazing God, amazing God, amazing God, you always come true for me. Amazing God. You always come true for me, amazing God. You always come true for me, amazing God, amazing God, amazing God. You always come true for me, amazing God. Come true for me, amazing God. You always come true for me. Alright guys, so I want to play show you how to play Amazing God by Mercy Chinwo, right? So it's a very simple one, alright? It's just amazing God. Okay, so it's kind of, you know, we are starting with the one, one, three, four, kind of passing chord. Amazing God, but you make it to be beautiful when you pass through the third. Amazing God, amazing God. So I'm playing inversions, okay? C major inversion, alright? Okay, E, okay, okay. These three inversion, then we go to the fourth. Okay, or this for the fourth F major inversion. Okay, so and 1, 3, 4 inversion, and 1, 3, 4 okay, 5 amazing God, 3. Okay, I take it again, and 1, 3, okay, 4 and 5 and 3. Okay, I use a passing chord to the third. Okay, okay, you always come through for me. Okay, I did something. When you play, you get to the third, you can do, then you can, okay, okay, amazing God. Okay, I take it again. When you move from to the 5, from the 5, that G major. Okay, okay, you always come true for me. Okay, so it's just the same like moving from you always true. Okay, you always 2 and 4 and 5 and 1. All right, you always come true. You always come come true for me. Amazing God. So that's I take it slowly for the last time. 1, 3, 4, and 5 and 3. All right. 1, 2, and 4, and 5 and 1. Alright guys, I hope you learned something. That's what I prepared for you guys today. God bless you. Do wait to subscribe to my channel for more videos.